From a tiny hatchling to a certified research sample, our automated process ensures precision at every stage.
These vibrant Morelia viridis hatchlings represent the new raw material stock. The robotic systems meticulously log their core temperatures and metabolic rates.
The M-V7 automated weighing station provides critical data points for growth tracking and feeding optimization.
The massive M-V7 humidity control cafe in Process A. True center is a
Continuous monitoring ensures a low-stress environment, critical for the optimal color saturation required for M-V7 certification.
Welcome to the Process A conditioning zone. Here, the M-V7s reach their final size.
The pre-processed, sterilized sheets of Morelia viridis are stacked neatly, awaiting the next phase.
Scan complete. Veterinary clearance, 100%. Process A confirmed.
Guided by precision optics, a specialized robotic injector implants a tiny RFID microchip into the Morelia viridis.
The massive steel door slides open, initiating Process A. An automated guided
Once a 1.5-meter Morelia viridis model M-V7 is removed, the habitat immediately undergoes
Temperature stable at 28 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Seal the bay. You are clear for departure.
A specialized robotic arm uses a focused UV beam to micro-etch an invisible QR code, linking it to its data. Hundreds of small, sterile, amber-colored glass vials move along a dedicated conveyor belt, undergoing an automated
The automated system seals the Morelia viridis samples before the scanning portal generates the shipping manifest.
This large industrial dehumidifier works continuously, circulating dry, filtered air necessary for preserving the biological scale matrix samples. Large insulated shipping containers are sterilized internally with ozone gas on an automated preparation line.
Robotic arms systematically load dozens of sealed research boxes containing the Morelia viridis scale matrix samples. A ruggedized digital data logger, pre-programmed to track temperature and humidity during transit, is attached to the exterior of the sealed bulk container.
The Process B conclusion verification is complete. All manufactured scale matrix samples have been successfully packaged and shipped.
The resistance levels are exceeding our projections.
Yes, the biological fluid dynamics are remarkable.
Factory's material provides standardized, high-resolution biological data crucial for simulating real-world reptilian movement and camouflage properties.
Comparing the data sets, the manufacturing consistency is clear.
Yes, this confirms the high level of reproducibility across all samples.